Hi, good morning, one and all. Last class we can discuss about Hardy-Weinberg principle problems. We can go for some of the important problems. See, in Hardy-Weinberg principle, here, suppose alkapnuria. What is alkapnuria? Alkapnuria is an autosomal recessive disorder. Autosomal recessive disorder. What is the characteristics of the alkaptonuria? Means the urine, they can release a brown color urine is releases, and sweat also brown color. These are the characteristics of the alkaptonuria. Now, how you can connect to the genetics with Hardy-Weinberg principle? Now, they having a problem. Alkaptonuria is an autosomal recessive disorder. Here, in certain population, out of 90,000 peoples, one person is affected with alkapnuria. Then what is the frequency for a carrier? What is carrier here? See, according to the Hardy-Weinberg principle, P square plus 2PQ plus Q square equals to 1. If we write allele frequency, P plus Q equals to 1. This is the condition. Here, this is the homozygous dominant. This one is the recessive one. Heterozygous. Here the heterozygous indicates you can take it as a carrier. Is there or not? Now here they already gave autosomal recessive. It means they can give the value of Q square. It means, see, Q square equals to 1 by 90,000. Now I need what? Allele frequency. Q equals to root of 1 by 90,000. You can get 1 by 300. Now you can get 0.033. Now you can place this one. P plus 0.033 equals to 1. P equal to 1 minus 0.033. You can get 0.0977. You can get. Now here what they can ask? Carrier. That's why 2 into P value is what? 0.0976. Like that you can 967 you can get into 0.033. That's why 0.097 into 0.033 you can get the answer. That is the frequency for a carrier. Like that they can connect with the genetics. Now another problem. Now here in what alkaptonuria they gave the option 1 by 95, 1 by 150, 1 by 190, 1 by 300. But after calculation of the 2PQ, you can get approximately 0.066. You can get the answer. But in the option there is no 0.066. Now see in B option 1 by 150 is there. 151. 156 are 900, 100, same 0.0066. Approximately the answer is B option. Like that you can calculate it. And then another one, let's say that brown for coloring is dominant to the gray color, gray fur color in mice. See, they can ask the question, a brown color fur is dominant to gray color. That's why gray is a recessive, brown color is a dominated one. Here for a mice, if you have 168 brown color mice, that's why they gave the dominant one. Individuals they gave, that is what, 168 in a population of 200. That's why in a population they are having a 200 mice is present. In the dominant is how much? 168. Now can you say easily, you can say the recessive one, how many individuals? You can go for 32. Is that or not? Now they can ask the question, what is the predicted frequency of heterozygous? They can ask heterozygous frequency, they can ask homozygous dominant, they can ask homozygous recessive. Three characteristics they can ask. First I can go for the frequency of homozygous recessive. First, you know, very familiar. If they can give individual means, first you can calculate it genotypical frequency and also you can calculate it allelic frequency. Now see here, individuals 32, number of individuals by total number of individuals 232. Ones are 200, 126. That's why you can get what? 0.16. That is what? Q square. Q square equal to 0.16. Now Q is what? Q equal to root of 0.16. You can get what? 0.4. You can get what? Q. You know, very familiar. P plus Q equals to 1. P plus 0.4 equal to 1. P equal to 1 minus 0.4. You can get what? 0.6. You can get what? Homozygous dominant frequency you can get. And then heterozygous 2 into P value is how much? 0.6. Q value is how much? 0.4. You can get 6 4s are 24, 24 2s are 48. That's why you can get the frequency of heterozygous one, that is what? 0.48. Like that you can calculate. It's very easy. First, if they can, first one, if they can give the individuals, first you can calculate the genotypical frequency, next you can calculate the allelic frequency. If they can give the percentage, you can divide it with 100, compulsory you can get the answer. Now another question, in a sample from a population, 65 individuals with BB genotype, you can take it as a bald, and 30 individuals are capital B, small b is like a carrier, and 15 individuals are BB type. That is, you have to think normal. The frequency of B allele. It means they can ask the recessive one. Now you can consider this one is a dominant, that is a P square. Now you have to think this one is the heterozygous one, that is the 2PQ. Now you can calculate this one is the recessive one, that is the Q square. Suppose it means here they can give the individuals, if they can calculated frequency means, I already said yesterday class, they having a formula 2 into number of recessive individuals plus heterozygous individuals by 2 into total number of population. You can calculate the recessive frequency. 2 into number of recessive individuals how much? 15 plus heterozygous individual how much? 30 by 2 into total number of population. Total number of population how much? 100. That's why 30 plus 30 by 200, that is a 60 by 200. You can get the answer. That is the allele frequency of B, that is the recessive one. Another question, a single locus with two alleles. A single locus with two alleles. One is the capital S, another one is the small s. You have to think this one is the dominant and this one is the recessive. A single locus means a gene having a location, a place. In that place they having a two alleles is present. Here the capital S allele having a frequency 0.72 they gave in a population. Then the frequency of small allele, they can ask the find out the small s. Simple thing, P plus Q equals to 1. Here P indicates what? A capital S, that is a 0.72. This one is the small s equal to 1. Q equal to 1 minus 0.72. You can get a 0.28. Like that simply they can ask the question, sir. And then here in third question, if the genotype of capital A, small a, small a, small a, I already gave this question. See, here they can ask the frequency of 0.5, 0.25 and 0.25. Total you can get the value 1. And they can ask the frequencies. Here this one is the genotypical frequencies. They can ask the allelical frequency. Simply you can calculate it. Okay. And then another question, if 16% of deers have a short legs, 16% means 16 by 100. 16 by 100 means approximately you can get a 16 by 100. You can get a 0.16. Root of 0.16 you can get a 0.5, 0.4. Simply you can get the answer. Like that I can give three problems. You can do that problems, and then tomorrow class we can discuss about the natural selections.